How to download and install Adventure Escape Mysteries game on your Android device or your iOS device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're looking for a quick way to download the Adventure Escape Mysteries on your device, then you are in the right place. First of all, go ahead and get connected to a stable internet, whether you are using Wi-Fi or cellular data on your device, and launch open your Google Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, type in Adventure Escape Mysteries. Once you search for the application, look for this app from HiQ Games and then tap on Install. Wait for the application to download and install. It'll take a couple of minutes. If you are downloading it on your iOS, then you'll need to verify with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Now, all you need to do is to wait for the installation to complete, and once it does, you can tap the play button to launch the game. Just make sure you have a stable internet connection and your device has enough storage space available. And that's it. You will be able to download the Adventure Escape Mystery on your Android or iOS in no time. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.